Hello, and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Pisces. I'm Julia Mijas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Well, hey, Pisces, if this is your sun sign, then your birthday is coming soon. If you haven't scheduled your yearly birthday reading yet, there's still time to do so before your birthday, which is the most powerful time in your whole year to do it. This way, you can ritualize your personal New Year's moment and jump into your year empowered to make it the best one ever. You're going to find a link in the description below for how you can get that birthday reading. So I want to start with relationships, and I want to begin by saying that the life and world of every Pisces is so much better while Neptune is moving direct. Neptune is your moving planet. Neptune is moving direct now and will be for several months to come, quite a few months to come. And Neptune is, retrograde for a couple of months every year, and then after it goes direct, and then it is direct, it just feels so much better to be a Pisces. This is the time when you can really utilize your intuition to best effect, when you're feeling, less confusion, less escapism, and your imagination is really working to your benefit. So, but I want to mention that there's a bit of drama coming your way in the relationship department because Juno is traveling through your seventh house. She's the asteroid goddess of committed partnerships of all kinds. So this can apply in your personal life if you happen to be married or partnered or a co-parent, in a personal way, but it can also impact your career life if you are in a business partnership or if your style of business is a consultancy format. So my point is, while Juno is in Virgo and turns retrograde this month around mid-month, we're all going to end up in a relationship retrospection period that will last for a couple of months. And during that time, everybody in the world is going to feel pulled to look at the past, our relationship past, and the past of any relationship that we're in, and to sort of reevaluate, is this relationship working for me? Does it feel fair? Does it feel equitable? How's this relationship going? How committed am I to this relationship? How committed is my partner? And this lands for you smack dab in your relationship house, and with Juno in opposition to that Neptune that rules your own sign. So I think what's going to happen is that sometime in the next couple of months, your partner is going to come to you with criticisms and complaints. And maybe those complaints at this point have gotten so big for your partner that your partner is really thinking seriously about ending it. And this is something that you, as a Pisces, can intuit before it happens and can mitigate if that's what you want to do. And so I would say, like, running away and hiding, escaping your partner's responses and approaches to you is not going to be a winning strategy. And that it's much better to just confront it head on, and also bring your own, critiques to the conversation and try to come out with something more equitable for the future of your relationship. Julia, what's up with career and finance for the Pisces out there?
Well, Pisces, there's still lots of action going on in that 10th house of career, and it's carrying over from last month. So Mercury was retrograde in your 10th house of career last month, creating lots of miscommunications, lots of confusions, lots of having to go back over and redoing things at your job. Mercury goes direct very early on in the month. So that's going to help out a lot because this is all happening in your 10th house. So your business life is going to definitely start moving more smoothly, but it's going to be a little slow because Mercury takes about a week or two to start getting back up to speed again, but definitely a lot easier than last month in career. And the other good news is that Venus is also in this house early in the month, adding a little bit of luck, adding some help in terms of getting along with the people that you work with. So that could be clients, customers, your coworkers, or your boss. So that really actually also helps. She's also here to help your public image as well, which is also ruled by the 10th house. So easier this month than last month for sure. When when it comes to finance, the ruler of your second house, which is in Aries, is Mars. And Mars is in the 10th house for the first few days of the month. So with Mars in the 10th, your energy and drive are what's going to be your capital, what's going to help you make some money. So reinvest them in your people, whether it's your employees, followers, customers, clients, or just the communities that you participate. That's when Mars starts moving into your 5th house. Now, on January 11th, there's also going to be January 11th, a new moon in Capricorn in your 11th house. And this is the house of hopes, wishes, and dreams. Now, the reason why this is connected to finance is it's squaring the nodes, which are in your 2nd and 8th house. So that means that you might want to start off on some long-term goal of yours, which is ruled by the 11th house, but feel a little bit of tension in the money department. The nodes cut a path of destiny across our chart, with the south node being what we need to sort of let go to move on, and the north node being what takes us forward. So there's going to be a sense of having to let go of past financial habits in order to embrace some new ones to help push you along your goals, which you're really going to be reaching for this month. Well, that's all we have for you today. And if you enjoyed this horoscope, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.